Assalamu alaikum. I am Rahat Mullah. Currently, I am studying at Department of Innovation and Entrepreneurship, Daffodil International University. I am a passionate entrepreneur and the CMO at SES IT Solution. I believe technology can empower every small business owner, even those who have never touched a computer, to run their business and more efficiently, more intelligently, and completely automatically. My journey started with a deep curiosity about how business grow and what makes them succeed. After complete my SSC at Hassan Mission School and College, after I complete my college, Dhaka Commerce College at Dhaka with CGPA 5, I focused on my study on innovation and entrepreneurship. That academic foundation combined with real-world experience helped me understand both the challenges and opportunities that modern entrepreneurs face in Bangladesh and beyond. As a CMO at SES IT Solution, I have had the opportunity to lead projects that focus on digital transformation, helping business shift from traditional operations to fully automated systems. I love solving real problems through technology, problems that small and medium business owners deal with every day. One of the biggest projects I have leading is Byabsapati, an app designed to complete automated small business management. With Byabsapati, shop owners can manage their sales, inventory, customer relationships, SMS marketing, online shop, and even financial tracking, all from one single app. Through this project, my focus has always been on solving real problems, building trust, and creating value. My vision is simple: to create a smart business ecosystem in Bangladesh where every entrepreneur, whether in a city or remote village, can manage and grow their business digitally. I want to see Bangladesh become a country where technology isn't just for big corporations, but also for small retailers, farmers, and local producers. By combining automation, AI, and human creatively, I believe we can make that possible. I am also passionate about developing youth entrepreneurs, encouraging your young people to start business that data-driven, scalable, and sustainable. My key strengths include strategic planning, businesses, automation, leadership, and digital marketing. I believe hands-on experience in team management, project execution, and brand building from concept to launch. And above all, I bring a mindset that focuses on innovation, consistency, and long-term vision rather than short-term success. Thank you for taking the time to know me. I am always open to collaboration with forward-thinking individuals, business, and investors who share a vision for transforming how we work and grow. If you believe in creating impact through technology and entrepreneurship, I would love to contact with you. Thank you.